should have closed that, shouldn't I? Oh well. Anyway, hi. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be what I eat in a day. So I've seen loads of people do these videos and I love watching them, so I thought I would just do one myself. So yeah, this is just going to be a typical what I eat in a day. Obviously I eat different things every day. I try and mix it up as much as I can. Yeah, I don't obviously eat as healthily as this every single day. Like, I have pizza every now and then. So yeah, this is just a typical, like, when I'm eating healthy and I'm like working out every few days, that kind of helps me to eat healthier. Like today I've worked out, so I'm being pretty healthy today. Also, I know people always say this in these kinds of videos, but I feel like it's a good thing to say. Obviously, I'm not a nutritionist. I don't know like a lot really about what people should be eating, like amounts and stuff like that. I'm a small person, okay? I am small. So I don't eat tons, but I also don't think I undereat. I eat the right amount for me. I eat whenever I'm hungry. If I want a snack, which I literally want a snack right now, so I'm gonna go get one, then I'll go get one and I'll eat whenever I want. That's basically what I just wanted to say quickly. And I'm also not telling anyone that this is what you should be eating. So yeah, this is just, it's kind of like little meal ideas, I guess. I want to look at it that way, that they're just kind of like vegan, kind of healthy. Yeah, they are kind of healthy meal ideas. So they all are pretty easy as well. I'm not an expert in cooking either. Yeah, I'm still learning, but yeah, this is basically just what I eat in a day. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you do like these videos, or, you know, I don't know if you're vegan, then subscribe if you want to and give the video a thumbs up as well. And just keep watching. So I've got my avocado toast. My breakfast is done. There she is. This is pretty much the same breakfast that I had my morning routine video, I think, literally, because I did work out today. So I don't know what it is. Whenever I work out, I genuinely crave toast. So a healthy way to do it is just to slap some avocado on it. Oh good. So just in case anyone watching this video now didn't see my morning routine, how I do my avocado, well, you saw it. I do salt and pepper, lemon juice. I don't like avocado just on its own. I wish I did, but I just don't. I can't eat it like that, honestly. And then every single day I have a green juice. It's in the plastic one because I make a lot of it and then have half on like the day I make it and then the rest the day after. So I made this yesterday, just a leftover that I have from the fridge. So in the green juice I put in one large orange, frozen pineapple, not too much, and then I go in with spinach and kale, put a lot of that in, and then I add goji berries, just like a tablespoon probably. I have like this green powder, I think the brand is called Functional Foods, and yeah, and then I add orange juice for the liquid just because I like citrus. That's how I do my green juice that I have every day. Okay, hi. So I don't actually usually have 3 meals a day. I usually have 2. I usually have breakfast, a little snack maybe in the day, like just like some fruit or like a little yogurt, or what else do I like to snack on? Bagels. I love bagels. And then I would just have my dinner as like my main meal in the evening. But obviously, like I said, I worked out, I'm hungry. I'm gonna make my lunch now. I've got to go to work soon, so I'm gonna make it now. I'll show you what I'm making. It's just gonna be like a salad, well, just lettuce and like a few of other stuff that I'm gonna cook, and then I'm obviously gonna have my dinner when I come back from work. It's gonna be quite late because I finish work at like 7:30, so it's gonna be around 8 when I eat. I have a little snack while I'm making my lunch for literally in a few hours. So I love these, okay? These are veggie straws, okay? They're from the brand Real Eat. You can get these from Lidl, Asda, Sainsbury's, and they're kale, tomato and spinach. They have so many different like flavors. They do like lentil ones, quinoa ones, and I love these, like healthy, like kind of crisp. I don't eat regular crisp, I eat healthier ones, and I actually love them. I actually prefer them than regular crisps. These ones are also so good. They're kale crisps. I think these are from Asda, and these really taste like kale though. They're lemon and olive oil. So if you genuinely don't like kale, you will hate those. Wait, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make for my lunch. Hi, so yeah, this next dinner portion I actually filmed yesterday. What is this hair? This is as real as it gets. I'm gonna leave it. I look like a sack of shit right now, so we're all friends here, it's fine, I don't actually care. So yeah, that day I didn't end up filming my dinner because I was clearly stupid. I just looked back at all my clips and I didn't actually film any dinner, so good job there. I filmed my dinner that I had yesterday, which is the 11th of January. Because to be fair, what I ate last night is literally what I have quite a lot. It's my favourite food. I just made spaghetti and some broccoli. It's literally my favourite meal right now. Spaghetti is 100% my favourite food ever. Free spaghetti, and then I used a pre-made pasta sauce because I'm lazy. Obviously cooked that, threw some spinach into the spaghetti as well, and then I roasted broccoli, which is also like my favourite thing right now. I eat broccoli every single night. I spray oil on the tray, and then I put the broccoli on, and then I season it with onion, salt, garlic powder and black pepper. I have to, and then I like roast the broccoli for like 15 minutes, and that's what I had for dinner. As you can see, I made 2 portions because I made dinner for my dad last night. So yeah, that's what we've got. Also just realized I haven't filmed an outro, so I guess I'm just gonna have to do it looking like this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I guess that's it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe as well if you want to. You don't have to, it's fine, and I'll see you in my next video.